Hi everyone, Jesus Nahada here from LA County Library. Today I'm going to share with you 3 easy ways to start giving back to your community. And those 3 ways are money, time, and personalized time. Let's start with the first way, money. You can give money to your local church, nonprofit organization, charity, an individual, or family. If you're not financially ready to give money, then the next 2 options might be a great fit for you. The second way to give back is time. There are many organizations and mutual aid groups that need volunteers to help with their mission. You can dedicate a few hours or days in a month to help those groups accomplish their goal. The last way is personalized time. Share and give your talents to your community. This is a great way to build a relationship with your community and give your talents to those that may not be able to afford it, such as guitar lessons, haircuts, or computing. You may be asking yourself, why is it important to give and be charitable? The main reason is that you're able to enhance the lives of the people around you and your community. Now, giving back doesn't just benefit others, it also benefits you. Many studies have shown that giving back improves mental health, such as increased happiness and decrease in depression. Other benefits include expanding your network. You can meet like-minded people while volunteering. Developing new skills. You can gain soft skills like public speaking, and it can also get you out of your comfort zone by meeting new people. It also transforms your perspective. Helping others can make you realize how much you have to be grateful for, and giving helps adopt an attitude of gratitude. So, here at LA County Library, we offer many ways that you can volunteer. One of my favorite volunteer activities is joining a teen advisory board at your local library. The Teen Advisory Board is a group of teens that help brainstorm ideas, discuss teen issues, and develop programs for the library and community. You can also help your library with specific needs such as program preparation and sorting library materials. Visit your local library or lacountylibrary.org/volunteer for more information on joining a Teen Advisory Board and becoming an LA County Library volunteer. We hope you enjoyed this video and have a few ideas for giving back to your community. You can find all the links and resources mentioned in this video in the description box below. Visit lacountylibrary.org for more information about library services and events. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.